my channel. It's Therese here, and for today's video I have a Shein video for you guys. I ordered another Shein package after my last Shein unboxing because I just love buying stuff off there. Like, as you get this, I had a little, I was cleaning something up. Like, you know how you get it a bit wet and then you just wipe it sort of vibes? Like, this is just what I was doing. I'm a mess. Anyway, I'm a mess in an oversized t-shirt dress. Like, she loves it. But I really love fashion, and Shein, unfortunately, even though it's fast fashion, it has a lot of plus size clothes that are really cute. In my last haul, I was just obsessed and I was like, I need to get some more stuff. And then also, guys, okay, so I got these boots, right? If anyone has any advice, okay, so these are Dolls Curl boots. I just broke them. But my fat leg doesn't let these two do up, right? So anyway, I brought a matching dress for them because I thought I could wear them to a festival or something like that. But it's got a zip. So a lot of people have said to elasticize this side. And then I thought maybe I could just like unpick the first two straps, but they're really cute. They're a size 10, I'm a size 8, so I thought that they would fit, and they're only $50, but like they're really cute. But anyway, so that's mainly why I ordered this Shein haul, because I got a dress that goes with it, which I'm pretty sure is this dress. So I got this dress in a 2X. It was just, I got 21 things. So this is the dress, like, yes, this is the dress I got to match. Oh my god. Yeah, I've heard that it's really short, but on me that's actually like not that short if I wore my shorts underneath. But that and the boots, see, it like matches. So I got this dress so it can match, like literally look matching. And I got like matching chokers and stuff like that as well. So I think maybe if I put the dress on, then we can kind of see what she looks like on, so I can see with my matching things. I'm really excited for this though, because it's only like $16. So I'm like, she's a bit see-through, but I'm gonna try it on anyway because I'm excited. Okay, so the dress is on. It is cute. Okay, so it is short. But like, if you had shorts on, it's actually not like that short. But this with the boots, and I thought I could put like I have really cool body belts, so I could put those on. I got another one on my Shein order, but like, look how cute. And then like with the boot, I need to put a boot on so you guys can see. Ugh, you'll see how it doesn't fit on my foot. Yeah. See that it doesn't. Oh, yeah, the top two are actually undone. I was like, they're zipped up right away. Hang on, we need like a full outfit so we can see. Look, with the boots though, yes, that looks fucking cool as. Oh my god, space like fantasy. I love that. I love that. Where's the other one? But yeah, I've got the top two undone because I just couldn't put them on. Like, because they're just not big enough. Do you know what I mean? Oh my god, I can't wait to wear this outfit out. Oh my god. I'm like, I don't know what like gig to wear it to. Like, I just saw these boots and I was like, oh my god, I've seen a Shein outfit that would like go perfect with that. But see, the top two, they're done up, so that's as far as I can get that side up. That is fucking cool. Holy shit. Yes. So that's one of the dresses I got. Space time. I love that. I had to get the things that I got matching for it. So I got like these to go with it. But also I think if I put a body belt with it, so I got this. Literally, how cute is that? Because she's holographic. I'm like, I'll just put it on. There. She's really tight. But look. See, it's like a whole... This is a cute vibe. I love this. And then I had to get one with chains. So I got the exact same one, but I got it with chains. I don't know how like crazy I was feeling. I might have a lot of cat stuff, which I'm going to be showing you guys in a minute. Here it is. This one. So I got this one, because look, she's got chains on it. So like, if I sit, you can see. So I've got this neck one, hang on, this neck one, or this one, which has the chains on it, which is when I wouldn't do a body belt as well, because it would be too much with a body belt. But look at that. That's so sick. That is such a cool outfit. Oh my god, look. And the boots and the thing, yes. Yes. Okay, so that is this with the necklaces. And the necklaces are just really cute. Like, even in general, just this necklace is a really, really pretty, cute one. Holographic moments. Like, just for any kind of festival where you wanted to wear some holographic. I've got this in black, but now I've got it in holographic. So you can't go wrong with that. I'm going to take these boots off because they're freaking hot as wearing these boots. I'm going to take them off because I don't have socks on them. It's just a little bit gross. But honestly, if you guys have any ideas on what I can do to make them work, they give me so much height as well. So yeah, This is this dress, and yeah, low-key obsessed with it because this was like a body belt, because I've got like even like the bra belts that I've got and stuff. Oh, I'm just getting them, don't mind me, because I have them all over here, and I have them all. I'm making a mess of my room right now. So I've got like this one. Yeah, this is like the boob one. So like that with it, so hot. Like that, just with the holographic, with the chains, and I'm like, if I had the neck chains too, like just something like that would be so cute. And like these body harnesses from Shein though, honestly, my review that's got those in it, I don't know if I did a YouTube one. I don't think I did a YouTube review because I only started doing like unboxings and stuff this year, but I got those last year. Because I was like, oh, you know what? I'm going to start doing like, because I do it all over TikTok. I've done all my unboxings on TikTok with like my harnesses and all that kind of stuff. But then I was like, I'm going to start doing it on YouTube. And you guys are loving those videos so much. So here they are. The dress is like really cute. It's really cute, by the way. And then I got this fanny pack because this is that material that, look. So if you put a flash on it, it changes. So you can't really see that it's actually meant to be black because of it's reflecting off the light now. But if you put a light on this, I'm like, do I have, I don't know if I've got any lights around, like a torch or something, because it will show it like reflecting, because it's actually black. It's actually like that. Like in real life, it looks like that. So that's crazy. So this like reflects, and I've got the same pants as that as well, so I could wear that to a gig as well. I just love getting clothes for gigs, honestly. But speaking of not clothes for gigs, well, actually, no, I could wear these to gigs. I got these. So I got some little, what are these? Kind of little, like, short Spanx kind of vibes. Where's my chair? Like vibes, you know? Just a pair of these and a 1X, just so they're nice and tight. I can wear them under dresses and stuff. Like, I could even wear them under this, because it's actually, where are we? The dress is longer than these, so I could wear these too. So I got these, a nice wee staple, and then I got this t-shirt, because how could I pass this up? And I got this in a 2XL. Amazing. Amazing. Love it. It's cute. I love Star Wars. So this is amazing. And it's a nice, cute little, almost cropped t-shirt. So she's cute. I'm going to put her on top of my dress. I'm going to do it. Let's just do it. See how she fits. Because normally I get like the man sizes, the unisex sizes, so then it's not too tight, because yeah, this one's like a little bit tight, but if I wore it like tied up or something, it'd be really cute. That's even cute with this as like a skirt. Hang on, if I just like tie that, hang on. I need to put my camera down so you can actually see a better angle. There we go. She's angled a bit better. Look, that's even cute, just like that. Like I'm just like going to a Star Wars like gig, and I'm like, hey, and they've got like 1,000 layers. These are also my Shein shorts from my last video, but look, this is a really cute t-shirt. I really like it. It's like comfy, she's nice, she's cute. Okay, sweet. And then the other clothing item I got was a dress. Now in my last video I got this dress and I got it in blue and I love it, and so I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna get it in this pattern because this pattern's so cute. It's one of those ones where you tie up the boobs. Look at the cute little pattern. So I'm gonna low-key try this one on and then might do the rest of the video in this. So all right, either I had a lot to eat today, or this one is tighter than the last one. It's really, really flattering though, but I don't know, it's like very tight in here, but it's really, really nice, but it is much tighter, I think. And this one does have like a light band, and she's slightly see-through, but this is really, really cute. She's a nice little like moment, you know, nice length as well. Like, hang on, let me stand on this. See, nice length above the knees, can't go wrong. And then you can make it like way less slutty as well, like, so you can just make it like a little bit. See, not so bad now, not so booby. But yeah, so that's this dress. This is really, really cute. I'm like, kind of looks like I'm about to pose for like a maternity shoot, like with the way that this dress like hugs my body. But hey, it's okay. It's okay, sis. All right, what else do we have in here? So I ordered a whole bunch of hat stuff. So I got this here. I'm going to do another video with like trying Shein cat toys because I just bought like $100 worth of cat toys. This like haul was mainly just to get cat toys. Like, look at these cute little things. Like, I don't even know what that, like, little butterfly. So wait for that video as well. Heaps of these. Stick to the wall and ping around. So excited for that. And then, oh, okay, let's get them all into some piles because, where are we? Yeah, everything else is cat stuff except this. I got this for my drains. That's just to put like all the hair to my hair because my hair falls out all the time. It's green. You won't be able to tell if my green hair falls out. It's just to cover the thing, just to scoop all the hair up. That's that one. And then, oh, I got this with a base to have the mouse fall off as well. And then I got this. It's a gun and you shoot it and then the thing goes and your cat wants to play with that. Little gun. And then these little like frogmen that hang on little springs. Cute, cute. And then all these little like glittery balls. Because these were like $2, $3 for all of these things. So I thought, fuck it, I'm just gonna get a whole bunch of these. This on a string, it's a little chicken. It's really cute. Little chicky bee. And then I got this mouse on a ball so it can trot stuff around. That's cute. And then a bunch of little balls because my dog is obsessed with those. So kind of like a cat and dog sort of little haul. But the other thing that I got was nails. So as you guys know, I'm obsessed with press-on nails. At the minute, I just have my own natural little nails, my little baby nubs. But look at these. These are like $4. Look how cute. Like, I'm really excited to try them. I'm just going to glue them straight on. But the pattern of these is really, really cute. It's very trendy at the minute to have those like lines on and the nude. And so I had to get like a pinkish pair as well. These are so cute. These are really cute. And then these for some little, like, she's a little demure moment. Like, look at that. Beautiful. And then my last one was these crazy ones. Thought I could also wear them to gigs. I wasn't really sure. Yeah, so that was my Shein haul. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Sorry there wasn't a lot of, like, plus size clothes on there. But, oh, I was so, like, obsessed with the swimsuits I got last time. Like, all of you were loving the swimsuits. So let me know if there's any stuff on there that you think I'd like. Like, honestly, I'm a clothes hoarder. This is mainly Shein, this wardrobe. And I have a second wardrobe. The joys of, like, having your own house. You can just have all the wardrobes. But this is my beauty room wardrobe. So, yeah, it's really bad. I have a problem. I didn't need to get out of these dresses. This is the other dress I got that time. Last time, see this one? And I've worn it out heaps. That with a pair of dogs, like this with a pair of dogs would look really cute too. I think like a belt or something would be really nice for this. But look, you can wear it like, you know, she's demure, she's respectable, and then, oh, she's a hoe. Yes, she's a maternity hoe, like, woo, loves it. So I'm gonna unbox all of the things for Freddie now and do that video. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys want to see next for a Shein haul. But until next time, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one.